Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Asfalansari. Welcome to my channel Technical Hunter. So in this video I am with an unboxing video. So I am gonna unbox boya M1 microphone. You have seen this microphone used by YouTubers. Why I have buy this? So it mainly improves our audio quality. A YouTube video needs three things: audio quality, video quality and the content quality. To improve the audio quality, a microphone is better for you. So the link of this product is given on the description box. You can check it out. If you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe it now and click on the bell notification to get my new video as notification. Let's go to the unboxing. So this is our boya mic's packaging. It is quite impressive. So let's store it up. When I open, I can see a black small pouch. So let's keep it there. A user manual and a card. A warranty card. Oh. Yes, that's all. So let's open the things of the black bag. So I have got the mic. So this is our boya M1 microphone. So next I got a cover like this. Let's open it up. So I can see that there is a clip and a small sponge filter. This is our clip to hold the microphone. So this is our sponge filter. And I got a small battery. And this. So this is our things getting from the boya M1 microphone. So I will now teach you how to add this battery into this module. So first you want to just tilt it up like this, open like this. So there is a space for the battery to put it in now. So just look that this is positive side. So like this you want to put, simply insert it and tight it up. So the mic is ready, and now you want to insert the clip and our sponge filter. So first, except this small portion, the rest of the things are in metal. So just clip it like this. Then take the sponge filter and insert it. So it will remove the excess air. Just like that. So this is ready. So I will now show you that what's the difference between the normal usage and with this microphone usage. Let's go to that. Hello viewers. Now I am not using any such microphones, or I am simply talking with you. I am using the audio, which is our default camera app. Let's check it out with our microphone. You can see that I am using the microphone. So I have clipped it over here. So you can see, you can hear that my voice is so crystal clear to you. So if you can afford it, you can surely buy this and improve your audio quality of your YouTube videos. I'm not telling that it will completely cancel the background unwanted noises. It will only reduce it some. So please drop a comment. If you don't subscribe our channel, subscribe it now. Thanks for watching.